Yeah.
Dude, so
So
that's pretty cool. 1 million subscribers. And then as far as the monetization point, do you guys hit CPA offers? Do you have companies like Gundry and Agora do CPM buys? Do you guys focus strictly on content? Kind of what do your guys,
yes.
how do you approach that?
So in this space, you got to do them all. You got to
Yeah.
Yeah.
monetize everywhere you can. So we're making money on CPA offers as need. We work with a broker who reps our list. So we do CPM buys
Oh, cool.
on all of our lists. Then we do CPAs to fill in or to use as different um, call out action points in different newsletters or funnels that we have. And then we do work with email ad companies like Power Inbox,
Live intent.
or Live Intent. Tried a couple other people. I won't mention their names. Not very good. But we're testing different people, as well as running our own internal ad units in the newsletter in place sometimes. And then from that, that's just all pretty much email centric. And then obviously on the website, we got our Google AdSense, which generates pretty good revenues. And we're testing out a couple other ad networks, running their native ads to see if they can do as good or outperform AdSense. So
Any luck on performing AdSense, or is it still in beta?
we're in beta right now. We have one native unit that's outperforming the native widget from AdSense. I want to say we were about $6.50 from AdSense, and we're up to like $9.50 on this one we're testing right now.
CPM?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
Wow, good for you, man. Dude, that's pretty strong because AdSense
That's a big
as a
jump.
whole,
Yeah.
seems pretty good at monetizing.
It's almost a 50% increase. So we're happy with it. It just, is it going to stick is the question.
Yeah, that's true.
Obviously AdSense has all the traffic in the world. This partner, we don't know how much traffic they have. I mean, they seem very huge and very big, but if they don't have enough variation and if anything starts getting stale, I can see that number dropping. But it's been holding steady. It's been holding steady for a few weeks, so we'll see how it goes.
Nice, man. That's awesome. You know, it's very interesting. Like, I love the publication model as a whole, simply because when you acquire that user, and like, you know, Gabe comes from the media buying world. What Gabe's really good at is scaling very quickly. And it's cool because you can make a couple $100,000 profit in a month, but then you can also have months where you go dry, just because like when you're tweaking stuff, Facebook's, you know, having an issue with your accounts, the elections come in, your margin gets chewed up, like so many things can happen. But when you build that subscriber base and you have someone you're constantly looking to monetize over and over again, there's actually true value there.
Yeah, I mean, email's king. You know, we realized that quite a while ago. I'm sure Gabe saw that when what happened 2 years ago when the clampdown, or a year and a half ago when the clampdown on Facebook happened, and freaking all these strong direct buy CPA offers got crushed. And I mean, we had a network as part of our agency, where we were running a bunch of offers, and we had one buyer, one affiliate, huge super affiliate that was running, can't remember what campaign it was. I think it was some type of blood pressure campaign or something. And he was doing, you know, I think it was $50,000 a day or something.
Wow.
Yeah. Wiped out.
And then they fired all their people. They got down to nothing. You couldn't run. They wouldn't improve anything. So it killed everyone. And now the election crap's going on, and that's been a disaster.
And Corona, man, I feel like they fired half their team, and it's impossible to get anything done because like the safeguards are super cranked up right now due to the election, but there isn't the support there to back it up. So everyone's getting caught in the crossfire. It's pretty funny, man. Like I've been doing this so long, I don't get pissed off at it anymore, but it's just like, wow, like stuff's just getting axed.
Right. But that's why, you know, if you own someone's email address, they can't shut you out, you know. I mean,